Good morning. How you guys doing? I wish you guys a very beautiful week. Every time when it's a new week, we are filled with new hope and we're looking forward to new possibilities. So you guys go out there and make a mark in the world, right? Let's start over. Oh, guys, I'm giving an update on my week 7 day on Duromine. Yes. I've been using these babies, Duromine. Yeah, actually they're supposed to curb hunger, make you lose appetite totally, but they do have side effects. Right. So today I'm going to talk about side effects. And then if I feel like I have lost some weight, unfortunately, I didn't weigh myself for the last 7 days. When I first started, I didn't weigh myself. I just wanted to see how they will be, what is the how they will be affecting me, and that is side effects, if I can be able to stomach them and stuff like that. Then I wasn't worried about the weight as yet, so I was on them for the last 7 days. Then on Saturday I started going to gym. Then that's when I started stepping on the scale, and I found myself that I'm weighing 120 kg. So you see, guys, I've got a long way to go, but I'm hopeful. Let's talk about Duromine, guys. Duromine, is the subscription. They should be your daughter should give you subscription for this, and you go find them on your pharmacy and stuff like that. So I tried losing weight. I tried using many methods. I went eating clean and stuff like that, but I would still get hungry, and I'll eat. I'll eat apple, I'll eat mango, I will eat this, I will eat a bowl of cereal. Like I couldn't get food, guys. I was always hungry. So my doctor said, and I was gaining weight in an alarming rate. I'm always being a big girl, but lately I find myself gaining a lot of weight, especially on my midsection, right? So yes, I wasn't working out or anything. So, and before I realized that I'm gaining this much weight, I was eating junk food a lot. So yes, it was all on me. Now I'm taking charge of my life. I'm turning my life around, so with the help of Duromine. So for the last 7 days, guys, I was still getting hungry. I'll still feel like I have to eat breakfast. I'll still feel like I'll need an apple before lunch. Then at lunch I'll still have a lunch meal. Then later on I'll still need dinner. But I don't know if it was my body taking time to react on Duromine, or maybe it was taking time to be absorbed in my system. I don't know. And it was supposed to be having lots and lots of water during the day. I'm not a water person. My water doesn't come down easily with me, but I was pushing myself. To have at least a liter to 2 liters a day. Some days I'll forget, and I wouldn't have lots and lots of water as I was supposed to. So what I experienced with Duromine was stomach aches, especially on Saturday and Sunday. Guys, I was on my knees. I was bloated. I was passing gas. I tried to do stomach exercise so that my stomach will become flat. It was becoming like a balloon. It was painful. It was tender. It was oh my god, it was painful, and I was having these stomach cramps. I would feel like I need to go to the bathroom. I wouldn't go to the bathroom. Then I have to take some calming teas so that I can be able, and with together with hot water, so that at least they could find some comfort in my stomach. That is the first thing I realized. Even on when I first started, I started going to the toilet regularly because I was becoming loose. So I was happy when that happened. I was loose and I was like, oh, maybe it is getting out this nastiness that I've been putting in myself. So yes, first few days I was going to the bathroom and I was loose. So I was happy with that, even though it was a little bit irritating, but I would go and I would pass stools easily. But other days, man, I struggled, and I had sore muscle. I had sore muscle. I felt weak. I felt I felt numb. My muscles were not holding me back. My legs wouldn't hold me back, and I had a problem breathing. At some time, I would find myself catching my breath, and I will have to stop what I'm doing and try to find where I could to lean something to lean on so that I could be able to get back to myself again. Then today I woke up feeling a little dizzy, but I took water and I went to the gym like nothing happened. I sweated a lot. I don't know if it is because of the gym or together with Duromine, but I was like wet, everything, even my hair was wet. So yes, guys, that is my week update. I will let you know because I'm on this, I'm on diet, and I also joined the gym and actually have a personal trainer in there, somebody who will be able to help me reach my goal, because I wouldn't do it myself. I wouldn't push myself as hard. So I will give you an update. Like I told you on Saturday, I weighed 120 kg. I will weigh myself again at least after 7 days, because I want to see a weekly update. And for me, it's not about the numbers. For me, it's about feeling healthier, lighter, and having more energy. I want to be able to go out there and play with my kids, and don't find myself struggling to breathe every damn time I get. I have to step out on maybe a few stairs. So that is why I'm losing this weight. And my biggest problem with myself is my midsection. My stomach is getting out of control, guys. I'm literally not happy with it. I don't know what to wear, and I'm frustrated with it. So my goal is to lose the belly fat, and when the weight comes off from other parts of the body, then that is applies. But for me right now, my biggest problem is the what you call this, the belly fat. So yes, this is my update. I love you, my people. If you want to know how I'm doing, and if we can help each other, if you can jump in and to the comment section and tell me that you're on your journey with weight loss too, so that we can be able to encourage one another in this journey. I will like that. And please don't forget to subscribe. It's not only my channel is not about weight loss per se, but it is because I created this channel to share with the world my thoughts, especially things that are going around us and the things that affect children. So even with myself, because I'm in this journey, I'm in your face every damn day, so you're going to see me get slimmer. That's why I'm also bringing this segment of weight loss. Maybe it will help one of my viewers, right? Thank you, my people, for watching. I love you. Up until next time.